Welcome to Squatter Lockout, a division of the Triumvirate Law Group. The Triumvirate Law Group has been serving landlords for over 20 years, providing expert legal advice and representation. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to legally evict a tenant for non-payment of rent. Understanding tenant laws is crucial for protecting your rights as a property owner. You are the king of your castle, and this freeloader is in your property with the laws protecting them. Take back your property and power. If you're facing this difficult situation, it's essential to understand the legal process and the procedural loopholes that benefit you. First and foremost, it's crucial to communicate with us about your non-paying tenant. Sometimes, tenants may have targeted your goodwill, and now you face temporary financial difficulties, or even worse, financial ruin. Reaching out and discussing the issue with us can provide insight into whether this will be a long process, the broken court system, or short process, squatter lockout, to expel your squatter and get back your property. The longer these grifters are in your property, the more damage they're going to do. Effective communication involves being clear and concise in your messages. Always document all communications with your tenant. This documentation can be crucial if legal action becomes necessary. Keep records of emails, letters, and phone calls to protect yourself legally. If you decide to go with the courts, the next step is to review your lease agreement. Ensure you're familiar with the terms and conditions, especially those related to rent payment and just cause eviction procedures. If you are in Los Angeles, make sure that you know about LAMC Section 165.03. This knowledge is vital when taking formal action against a tenant. Once you've confirmed that the tenant is indeed late on their rent, the official process begins with providing a written notice. Most states require a pay or quit notice, which informs the tenant of their overdue rent and gives them a specified time frame, usually 3 to 5 days, to pay the outstanding amount or vacate the property. Make sure this notice is delivered correctly, either in person or via certified mail, to ensure you have proof of delivery. Common mistakes landlords make include not providing enough notice time, incorrect details on the notice, or failing to follow state-specific procedures. To avoid these pitfalls, double-check all information, consult with a legal professional if necessary, and strictly adhere to your state's requirements. If the tenant fails to respond to the notice, your next step will involve filing for eviction at your local court. This process may vary by state or municipality, so it's crucial to consult your local housing authority to understand the specific requirements. Make sure that you have proper service. You'll need to complete certain paperwork and pay a hefty filing fee. Once your case is filed, a court date will be set, months from now. Here, both you and your tenant will have the opportunity to present your sides of the story. Be prepared with documentation, such as the lease agreement, payment records, and any correspondence you've had with the tenant. If the tenant has lawyered up, call us. The tenant's rights lawyer will set landmines to outmaneuver you and get your unlawful detainer, eviction, dismissed, so that you must start over. If you get past all of that, and if the court rules in your favor, a judgment will be issued, allowing you to proceed with the eviction. See what could happen on our Squatter Lockout website, even with your own attorney. So let's say you win 8 months later. The court will send a local sheriff or constable to enforce the eviction. It's vital to note that you should never attempt to evict a tenant yourself, as this can lead to legal consequences. Did you know once the sheriff leaves, the non-paying tenant can break back into your property, and the process starts all over again? This is why it's crucial to have a solid legal strategy and professional advice throughout the process. In conclusion, while the eviction process can be daunting, understanding the legal pitfalls involved can help you navigate it more effectively. If the eviction process fails, landlords can consider alternative legal actions such as mediation or small claims court. Thank you for watching this video on how to legally evict a tenant for non-payment of rent. Sorry you are going through this, and we are always available for a squatter lockout intervention call. Contact information below. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, Triumvirate Law Group, for more valuable insights and legal tips. Your support helps us continue to provide you with quality content. Don't forget to share this video and hit the notification bell for updates. Gap 2S. Let's delve into some real-life case studies of successful evictions and the valuable lessons learned from them. Case Study 1. A landlord faced repeated non-payment issues with a tenant. By maintaining detailed records, the landlord presented a strong case in court. This highlights the importance of documentation. Case study 2. Another landlord encountered a tenant who violated lease terms. By following legal procedures, the landlord evicted the tenant smoothly. Always adhere to legal requirements and timelines. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Triumvirate Law Group for more insights.